Hey everyone, we're here at Johnson RV, America's #1 premium pre-owned dealership located in Sandy, Oregon. My name is Sammy and we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful 2011 Itasca Sunstar 35B, a great example of our premium pre-owned inventory. We'll take a peek at the outside and then we'll hop on the inside. Nice big Class A motorhome, full body paint, heavy duty chassis, powered by the Ford Triton V10. You've got nice big side mirrors with an integrated side camera right here. That's going to help you with your lane changing and just to make sure that you're safely going down the road. You've got an outdoor TV here with a couple of speakers, awning that goes over your entry door as well as travels as far down as it can. That's a power awning controlled from the inside. This is one of two slide outs. We'll kind of sneak by here. Some basement storage. You got your slide topper on the top there just to protect your slide mechanics. Your generator compartment as well as a little bit of basement storage is located underneath that slide. That's going to be your gen exhaust. You've got a ladder here up to your fully walkable one-piece fiberglass roof and your backup camera there. If you come over on this side, two more slide outs. So 3 slides in this coach at about 37 feet. This is going to be your master bedroom area. A little bit of storage underneath the bed. Lawn chairs, things like that. This is a bunkhouse model, so you may find that you've got quite a few things to bring with you when you have enough guests to fill the sleeping space. Again, another nice big slide box. That's going to be in the living area. Now let's head inside and take a look at this Itasca Sunstar 35B. All right, now we're inside this beautiful 2011 Itasca Sunstar 35B. It is a bunkhouse model, but I can show you that it definitely has some flexibility for all your camping needs. We'll start here in the cab area and work our way around. Again, it's on that Ford chassis, powered by the Triton V10. You've got your Ford Smart Wheel. Backup camera is going to display there. Your Jensen audio system. Got your hydraulic leveling jacks right there as well. A nice big open cab area for your co-pilot. You even have a little slide out working space, eating space. Even though this is a Class A, you have a cab over bunk. That's going to come down right over your 2 captain's chairs here. If it's not needed, these are both going to turn around and become part of your floor plan, which is a really great feature. Right behind your driver's side, you've got this nice big living room slide out that we saw from the exterior. Ultra leather like couch here. That's going to actually flip out and make into almost a full-size bed. Booth dinette, and you may not be able to notice on camera, but it really is a nice size booth dinette. Dream dinette, so all that means is you flip a lever over, push it down, very easy to convert. And there's belted seats in all of these spaces as well. You've got your overhead cabinetry, and then you have your TV in the midship there, which is a really nice placement for those times that you are coming in and hanging out and watching TV. Directly opposing your living space is going to be your kitchen area. So this has a 4-door fridge option, which is a really nice big open fridge space. You can bring as much food as your little heart desires. Nice solid Corian countertops, backsplash there, double stainless steel sink. You have a really nice size convection oven as well as a standard oven. Now as we head back this way, you have a little bit of pantry type space too. Again, this coach can really travel with a lot of people if that's what you're doing, so you have enough space to bring the food and the supplies with you. These are going to be the 2 bunk areas here. Little TVs in each space. Close yourself off, really have some privacy. This is also great to use for storage on longer trips if you don't need the bunk. So even though it's a bunk house, it has some flexibility, so it could work for you even if you don't necessarily need the bunks. It's a bath and a half model. So I'll step by here. That's your little half bath for all your visitors, guests, or when you are traveling down the road, that's going to be your main toilet. Your command center's right here. All the standard features there. You have a little pocket door. Then you're back in the master bedroom. It's a really generous master bedroom space. The bunk slide is opposing the bed slide, so it really opens up a nice space here. You've got a queen walk around bed, 2 outlets, little nightstands. Television, really good wardrobe space here. Nice big drawers on the bottom. It really has some great storage. And then you've got your own master bathroom. Pocket doors that are going to close that off as well. Great storage in the bathroom. You can keep your linens, everything that you will need to keep for your bathroom needs in the bathroom. Nice big shower with that glass-like shower door. Again, this is a 2011 Winnebago Sunstar 35B. It's a Class A gas motorhome. I've got plenty of others on the lot, and I'm sure I forgot a few things about this one. I'd love to help you out. Go ahead and give us a call. My name is Sammy. Our phone number is 503-668-5400. Thanks so much.